Do you dream of being close to nature? Inhaling the scent of a rose, feeling a fresh breeze against your skin. Experience the best of nature every day with the new skincare range, Love Nature. With an extensive collection of products, including 5 different ranges, catering for every skin need and type. The new Love Nature range contains extracts of natural origin that have been lovingly passed down through generations, resulting in luscious textures and scents. Chamomile, that's been used for centuries to soothe delicate skin. Tea tree, that offers a refreshing and purifying tonic. Revitalize tired skin with the antioxidants found in grape. Classic wild rose to nourish and bring skin suppleness. Or time-honored aloe vera that will calm, balance, and restore. It is no coincidence that these ingredients have stood the test of time, because simply, they work. Love your skin. Love beauty. Love nature.